Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming the essentials. Update the YouTube app and check your phone's display settings so the app can render correctly. Once done, inspect aspect ratio and any zoom or display scale settings. These often force shorts into a stretched or cropped view. Next, force close the app and reboot the device to clear temporary GPU or UI cache problems. Doing these first saves time, because many big screen issues are just mismatched settings or stale app state. Now you'll dive into the app. Open YouTube settings and set video quality to an appropriate option. Sometimes high-res forcing triggers scale bugs. Make sure autoplay and loop settings aren't interacting with full-screen gestures. Then play a short and rotate your device deliberately. Portrait shorts should lock to vertical. If they expand to big screen, you'll see the trigger. If the UI persists oddly after tweaks, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset UI resources and resolve corrupted layouts. To finish, clear the YouTube app cache and storage to remove bad layout files, then reopen the app. This often restores correct short sizing. Make sure your operating system and any GPU/driver updates are installed because rendering fixes come from OS graphics updates. Finally, test the same short on another device to isolate whether it's a device or account issue. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, record a short screen capture of the bug and submit a bug report to YouTube with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.